Hey, what's up, you guys? Hey, welcome back to the channel. Hey, if you haven't already, please subscribe for me. All right, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, comment, do all that good stuff for me. I really appreciate it. All right, so right now I'm in Ontario. This is a brand new townhome. Nobody has lived in this before. Brand new, okay, and very spacious. So this is a 2-story townhome, 3-bed, 2.5 bath. 1,800 square feet, listed for $608,000. Okay, so if this is your price range, or is this something that you want to get into to live in, please feel free to contact me. All my information is down below. My Instagram, email, all that phone number, all that good stuff is down below. So please contact me. Just know I got you. All right. So with that being said, let's get to this tour. All right. Y'all gonna like this one. So see y'all later.